Hi everyone, welcome to Fix Your Apps, the channel where we help you fix your app problems. In this video, we are going to show you how to invite someone to WhatsApp, the most popular messaging app in the world. WhatsApp lets you text, call, and video chat with anyone who has a WhatsApp account for free. But what if you want to chat with someone who doesn't have WhatsApp? Don't worry, we have you covered. You can easily invite them to join WhatsApp and start communicating with them. Before we dive into the main steps, please show some love by liking and subscribing to our channel for more app insights. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. You should see your home screen with the Chats tab selected. Step 2. Tap on the chat icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. It looks like a square with a plus sign. This will open a new chat screen where you can search for contacts or create a new group. Step 3. Tap on the invite icon in the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a pencil with a plus sign. This will open a list of contacts who are not on WhatsApp. Step 4. Tap on the contact you want to invite to WhatsApp. You will see a pop-up message asking you to confirm your invitation. Step 5. Tap on Invite to send a text message to the contact with a link to download WhatsApp. You can also edit the message before sending it if you want to add a personal touch. Step 6. Wait for the contact to accept your invitation and install WhatsApp. Once they do, you will see their name and profile picture on your WhatsApp contacts list. You can then start chatting with them as usual. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.